Hello there, my name is Dis from the Internet Nomad Academy. In this video we're going to look at how to reset hover states in Thrive Architect. Before we do that, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Also check out the link in the description for my free course on affiliate marketing and how to make money online. Cool, so yeah, so say you've added a hover element to this icon, say, so we can I'll just quickly do that. So we just go to hover, and then you want to say add a red element. So when you hover over it, it will go red. So just save and preview that. Yep. Okay. So when you hover, it goes red. But say you don't like that. What you do? Go back to the element. Go to hover. And then all you do is click that, and that resets it. Reset, and that takes it out, because you could spend hours trying to get that back to normal, deleting all this and all that kind of stuff, where you just got a quick reset button there. It makes it nice and easy, and that's it. It just saves a bit of time. It's just a little thing, but that little button there saves you a lot of time. Cool. My name's Dis from the Internet Nomad Academy. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Also check out the link in my description for my free course on affiliate marketing and how to make money online. Cool. I'll see you in the next video. Cheers guys. Thanks.